Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Okitel C33 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do is to basically open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the square icon, and if you've got the gestures, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, just like that. And after releasing the finger, here we've got the recents. If you want to, you can close only one of those apps or 2 of them, just find it and then swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all, just tap on clear all. And as you can see, we've got this information, which simply means that we just successfully turned off all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.